Remember Mint? That sleek budgeting app that helped millions of people track their spending, set financial goals, and finally get a grip on their money? Well, you might have noticed some changes lately. Did Mint disappear? Was it replaced? What exactly happened? Let's dive into the story of Mint and its evolution into Rocket Money. Mint burst onto the scene in the late 2000s, revolutionizing personal finance management. It was a game changer, offering a user-friendly interface that automatically aggregated your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts in one place. Mint's popularity soared. People loved its ability to track spending effortlessly, categorize transactions automatically, identify spending trends, and create customized budgets. Set financial goals, whether it was saving for a down payment or paying off debt. Mint provided tools and visualizations to help you stay on track. Receive personalized financial advice. Get personalized recommendations on how to improve your credit score, lower your interest rates, and find ways to save money. Explain the acquisition of Mint by Intuit. In 2009, Intuit, the makers of TurboTax and QuickBooks, acquired Mint for a hefty sum. This acquisition seemed like a match made in heaven, bringing Mint's innovative technology under the umbrella of a well-established financial software company. Discuss the changes that followed the acquisition. However, the years following the acquisition saw some noticeable shifts. Focus on Intuit's core products. Intuit, with its focus on tax preparation and accounting software, gradually shifted its attention away from Mint. Reduced innovation. The pace of innovation within Mint slowed down. New features and improvements became less frequent, leaving some users feeling neglected. Integration challenges. While Intuit aimed to integrate Mint with its other products, the integration process wasn't always seamless, leading to some user frustration. In 2020, Intuit announced a major rebranding. Mint, as we knew it, was no more. It was rechristened Rocket Money, a name that aimed to reflect a more aggressive and results-oriented approach to personal finance. Rocket Money came with a refreshed look and feel, along with some new features. Focus on bill negotiation. A key feature of Rocket Money is its ability to automatically negotiate lower bills with internet providers, insurance companies, and other service providers. Subscription tracking and cancellation. Rocket Money helps users identify and cancel unused subscriptions, saving them money on recurring charges. Credit monitoring. The platform now offers credit monitoring services to help users track their credit scores and identify potential issues. The rebranding to Rocket Money was met with a mixed reception. Some users embraced the changes. Many users welcomed the new features, particularly the bill negotiation and subscription cancellation tools. Others felt nostalgic for the old Mint. Some longtime Mint users felt a sense of nostalgia for the original platform and were hesitant to embrace the changes. Concerns about data privacy. The rebranding also raised concerns among some users about data privacy and the potential for increased data sharing between Intuit's various products. Today, Rocket Money continues to evolve, adding new features and refining its existing offerings. Focus on automation. The platform is increasingly focused on automation, leveraging AI and machine learning to streamline the personal finance experience for users. Expanding its reach. Rocket Money is expanding its reach beyond the United States, making its services available in new markets. Competition. The personal finance app market is highly competitive. Rocket Money faces stiff competition from established players like Personal Capital and newer entrants like In-App. You need a budget. What does the future hold for Rocket Money? Continued innovation. To remain competitive, Rocket Money will need to continue to innovate and introduce new features that address the evolving needs of its users. Focus on user experience. A seamless and intuitive user experience will be crucial for attracting and retaining users. Data security and privacy. Ensuring data security and protecting user privacy will be paramount in building and maintaining trust. Whether you're a longtime Mint user or new to the world of personal finance apps, it's worth exploring Rocket Money and seeing if it can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.